you'll see my hair is still in its things. Such a lovely look for the morning. But anyway, let's crack on and let's find number 9. Oh, it's really big and it's at the front. Let's see what's in here. Oh, wow, literally wow. So it's a wow, colour wow, clean colour security shampoo. This is 100% clean, residue free shampoo, leaves no residue behind to dull colour, weigh hair down or impede hair growth. Lovely, definitely going to give that a try. Love their products, so yeah, definitely worth a look. And if we move on to number 9, back here, that's last next one. Number 9, we have You Beauty, the Return Eye Concentrate. So if that's going to help my eyes, so it's delivered via silent capsule technology. If you've got the ingredients, I'm like, it's so hard to read, never mind the directions. Apply a pea-sized amount to under eyes, so eye, and pat gently with fingers for external use only. Lovely, good. I'm going to give that a bash. I'll put yesterday's number back in, and then I promised you this would be a quick one today, because I literally am just up. So, oh, look at that, you can see it. Do you see what I see? So yeah, it's not 100% dry yet, but it's like 99.99. So it's good, eh? This takes longer because I do these so tightly to make sure the hair doesn't fall out. But anyway, here you go, another one. Some of it goes a bit kinky, but that's fine because it settles. But yeah, you can see straight away, looks good, eh? And then I'll always put these back round. You can also, when I'm away, I sometimes put these back in when my hair's dry, just to make sure it keeps it, but generally this stays in place for 2 or 3 days now easily, because I've been doing it for so long. Yeah, it's definitely, it needs a bit more drying time at the back, but again you can see it's done exactly the same thing. So yeah, it's just not 100% dry yet. And look, even that bit came out this scrunchy a wee bit, but still curled round. And there you have it. How I do my hair. And if I say so myself, it looks pretty damn good. Yeah, see what I mean? But anyway, quick one for today, because it's got to finish getting ready, finish packing my case to go to hopefully not too rainy Liverpool. I doubt it though, to be honest. The weather's usually as bad as in Glasgow as in Liverpool. So anyway, I'll leave you all to it, but I will see you back here again tomorrow, likely after 9 p.m. again, maybe even 10 o'clock, and I'll still have done my video every day for the month of December for Vlogmas. Now, spoiler alert, I'm not going to do it after I get to Christmas Day. That's the last day. Take care, everybody. Bye.